Is your phone sliding around in your car? Or feels like it might fall on every bumpy road? Today, I've picked 6 vacuum and magnetic car phone mounts on Amazon that offer seriously strong and reliable hold. Some are MagSafe compatible, others use ultra-strong vacuum suction, and many of them are currently on flash deals. If you want your phone to stay locked in place while driving, this video is for you. Let's get started. Product number 1 is the LISEN Vacuum Magnetic MagSafe Car Phone Mount. Normally $29, now just $16.95. That's a 43% flash deal. This vacuum and magnetic car phone mount is designed for MagSafe iPhones and offers a strong, stable hold while driving. It attaches securely to your dashboard or windshield using a vacuum base, keeping your phone firmly in place. With MagSafe, you can attach and remove your phone easily with one hand. The 360-degree adjustable head lets you use your phone in both portrait and landscape modes. Strong, practical, and heavily discounted right now. It's a great value for the price. Link is below. Product number 2 is the ANDERY Vacuum Magnetic MagSafe Car Phone Mount. Normally $42, now just $25. 61, a 40% flash deal. This mount combines a strong vacuum suction system with powerful magnetic holding and keeping your phone stable even on rough roads and sudden stops. With a 360-degree rotating base and dual-axis metal arms, you can easily adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle. When not in use, it folds down to save space. The 22 high-strength magnets keep your phone firmly in place without affecting signal or GPS performance. Its cooling-friendly design also helps prevent overheating during long drives. Strong, durable, and built for daily use, especially at this discounted price. It's a solid pick. Link is below. Product number 3 is the Vacuum Magnetic Twist Lock Car Phone Mount. Normally $39, now just $23.99, a 40% flash deal. This mount uses a manual twist lock vacuum system to attach firmly to your dashboard or windshield. The more vibration it gets while driving, the stronger the suction becomes, and it removes cleanly without residue. Its 360-degree rotation with a stable 3-axis design lets you adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle without loosening. Great for navigation and daily driving. The powerful N52 magnetic system holds even larger phones securely during sharp turns and sudden braking, without affecting signal or GPS. Strong, versatile, and heavily discounted right now. Definitely worth checking out. Link is below. Product number 4 is the snanlen Vacuum Magnetic Car Phone Mount. Normally $34, now just $23.99 with a 31% flash deal. This mount uses a 4-layer nanogel vacuum base to stay firmly attached to your dashboard or windshield. Even on rough roads, your phone stays rock solid with no shaking. With up to 108 lbs of suction strength and 24 powerful magnets, it easily holds larger and heavier phones. Perfect for navigation, calls, or watching videos while driving. The 360-degree adjustable metal arm lets you find the perfect angle, and the foldable design makes it compact and easy to store. Strong, versatile, and built for everyday use, especially at this discounted price. Link is below. Product number 5 is the MiiKARE Vacuum Magnetic Car Phone Mount. Normally $24, now just $19.99, that's a 20% flash deal. This mount combines 2800 GFI magnetic power with strong vacuum suction, keeping your phone firmly in place even on bumpy roads, sharp turns, or sudden stops. With 360-degree rotation and 270-degree tilt, you can easily adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle. When not in use, it folds flat and takes up very little space. Setup is quick and simple. Just press, twist, and lock. You're ready in seconds. Great for navigation while driving, video calls at work, or following recipes at home. A well-balanced option with solid performance for the price. Link is below. Product number 6 is the Jononser K007 Vacuum Magnetic Car Phone Mount. Normally $29, now just $23.99, that's a 20% flash deal. This model stands out with its compact, foldable design, making it one of the smallest and most portable options on this list. The dual-axis metal arm allows easy adjustments in both portrait and landscape modes. Its vacuum lock system combined with a nanogel base keeps it firmly attached to your dashboard or windshield, even on rough roads or sudden stops. With 2400 GF magnetic strength, your phone stays secure, and when you're done, it folds down small enough to fit in your pocket or bag. Perfect for use in the car, at home, in the office, or even at the gym. If you want something compact, powerful, and versatile, this one's a solid pick. Link is below. Don't miss Amazon's daily deals. Hit subscribe and stay updated with the best discounts every single day. And if you want a specific product, just drop a comment below. I'll find you the best price.